So on the Birdie snack bar menu today, we have water, seed, and their strawberry fruit platter. Look at that. The fruit looks good. Meanwhile, they're over here being nosy, watching the birds. They want those birds. They want to go outside. No, you can't be with those wild birds. No, these are too pretty and clean and precious. Yeah, these are so pretty. Yeah, look at Popcorn. She's the one that really wants to see the birds. Look at her. Look at her. All right, there it goes. Look at her. Popcorn, be careful. Oh my God, I get so nervous when she does that. She's a climber, a biter, while Angel's more of the innocent type. That's why her name is Angel. She cleans herself a lot. Yeah. I got them some omega oil. I put it in their fruit today, and I made a video, so I'm going to post that. It has omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9. So I'm going to post a video about that because Angel had some blood spots, so I want to help her. And it seems like it bothers her, and I don't want her to be uncomfortable. I don't want her to feel, just not right. And she keeps on, going to her wing. So, yeah. And I got them some other seed for molting. So hopefully that works too, because I don't want them to feel uncomfortable at all. So let's see what happens by next week. I checked her out today and she seems okay. But I did add that omega oil to their fruit. So Angel likes fruit and she'll eat it. And I want her to eat it. So yeah, hopefully it helps her. Okay. I'll post that video. All right, bye. Say bye. They're so cute.